Welcome back to Capital Crew, your ultimate source for all things financial and global news. In today's episode, we're diving deep into a pressing issue that's making waves in the world of finance. As autumn descends upon us, the winds of change are blowing through the UK's financial sector. Get ready as we unveil the dramatic shift happening within the banking industry. UK banks tighten up on work from home. The very phrase sends shivers down the spines of those in the finance world. Stay tuned to find out how this development is shaping the future of work and what it means for the banking industry. You won't want to miss this critical update right here on Capital Crew, so let's get started. In a world that has been dramatically reshaped by the pandemic, one sector that has undergone a profound transformation is the financial services industry. The once prevailing work-from-home era that became the norm during the COVID-19 pandemic is now facing a seismic shift, and the implications are far-reaching. Today, we explore how UK banks are tightening their grip on the return to office work, what this means for their employees, and how it impacts the broader financial landscape. Leading the charge in this transition is Lloyds Banking Group, which has launched a charm offensive to encourage its staff to spend at least 2 days a week in the office. This move, coinciding with a traditionally busy month in capital markets following the summer lull, is part of a broader productivity push by Lloyds. However, it's faced significant resistance from its workforce. Lloyds CEO Charlie Nunn emphasized the need for effective collaboration, stating, "We can only be competitive if we collaborate effectively." He pointed out that a team's effectiveness can be compromised if key team members are unavailable when needed, and the new office attendance policy aims to address this issue. Lloyds is not alone in this endeavor. Other major banks are following suit, signaling a broader industry trend. For instance, Citigroup recently informed its UK employees that they would be required to attend the office at least 3 days a week. HSBC also tightened its policy, mandating that colleagues spend typically 3 days a week in an office or with clients starting from October. Goldman Sachs, known for its CEO David Solomon's vocal skepticism about remote work, has been calling its employees back to the office since the easing of lockdown measures in 2021. The push for increased office attendance is a response to what some employers perceive as the productivity-sapping effects of remote work. However, the push for increased office attendance hasn't been without its challenges. At Lloyds, an overhaul of the bank's compressed working policy, which allowed staff to work full-time over fewer days, sparked a grievance from the Unite Union. The grievance, published in August, garnered an impressive 3,649 signatures, representing about 5% of Lloyds' workforce. Under the updated terms, new employees will only be able to work on a compressed schedule temporarily, with exceptions for cases such as long-term illnesses. While the bank encourages existing employees to transition to regular working hours, it doesn't mandate this change. Lloyds' leadership defends these changes as essential for the bank's transformation and growth. CEO Charlie Nunn stressed the need for unity in the face of change, saying, "We need everyone in this together, working at pace if we're serious about transformation and change." Sharon Dorothy, Lloyds' Chief People and Places Officer, highlighted that the new arrangement offers an enhanced range of flexible working policies for our people that will help us succeed in driving our ongoing strategic transformation plan. The bank also emphasizes that greater flexibility will be offered to customer-facing staff, such as those in retail branches and call centers. As UK banks tighten their grip on office attendance, the implications for the financial industry are significant. The traditional office culture, long considered a hallmark of the finance sector, is reasserting itself. The shift is not only about physical presence, but also about fostering collaboration, mentorship, and innovation within these institutions. Employees are facing a new reality where flexibility may be limited and the line between office and home blurs once more. While some argue that a return to the office is necessary for productivity and maintaining a competitive edge, others contend that remote work offers a valuable work-life balance and shouldn't be discarded entirely. In conclusion, the work-from-home era, which became the norm during the pandemic, is now facing a formidable challenge in the UK banking industry. Lloyds Banking Group and other major banks are leading the charge toward increased office attendance, but this shift is met with resistance and debate. As we navigate this new landscape, it remains to be seen how it will reshape the future of work in the financial services sector and beyond. Stay tuned to Capital Crew as we continue to bring you the latest developments in the ever-evolving world of finance and global news.